Welcome to Goals by KeepSolid. We've created the Goals app to help organisations minimise non-productive activities and effectively achieve goals. It offers everything you need to plan and execute your business strategy. Goals by KeepSolid is designed in such a way that whatever short-term tasks you work on at any given moment, you always keep the main objective in mind. Let's get started with elements of the Goals app. Objectives. This is where you can complete an overview of everything that happens in your team. All your objectives, due dates, assigned team members, the number of key results, tasks, and their status are shown here. Objective is a set of key activities your team has to complete to achieve a specific outcome. To create a new objective, just click the New Objective button at the top. Enter its name, description, set the due date, invite team members, and choose if you want to use sprints. Press Create Objective to complete the process. Your objective will then appear on the Objectives tab. Key Results. How to start working on your objective. Break it down into key results first. Click on your objective to get on the Key Results tab and craft a mind map of its key results. In the centre of the mind map, you'll always find your objective. To add a new key result, click on the plus button, enter the name, description, and choose a colour to easily identify this key result and all its related tasks. You can also set a KPI, assign team members, and specify the due date. Add all key results that will help you achieve your objective and see them clearly visualised on the mind map. Show the mind map to your team members and stakeholders to make sure everyone is on the same page. The next is the Tasks tab. The way it looks reflects our app's main principle. Whatever you and your team do should be aimed at achieving a specific key result. On the left, you can find the Key Results Navigator. It contains the list of current key results that belong to the objective, as well as completed ones. Want to add a new key result? Type its name in the field Enter New Key Result Name. Breaking key results into tasks is what makes them achievable. Select the required key result and see all its tasks on the right, divided into several groups. Backlog, Sprint, if you previously chose to use sprints, Completed, and Archived. To add a new task, press the Backlog Task button, enter a task name, attach it to the relevant key result, specify duration, priority, set the KPI, assign team members, and provide a description if required. A new task can also be added via the toolbar. Click the plus button, choose the option Create Task, provide its details, and press Create Task. Need to update a task? Just click on it and edit the necessary details. Change duration, priority, users assigned, or update the status. If you need to assign a task or a key result to several users, just check the box in front of the required number of team members. The next is the Kanban tab, which helps to optimize the workflow and see how you're progressing towards your goals. All tasks automatically appear in the To-Do column. As the task status changes, manually move them across the columns Analysts, In Progress, Review, and Done. The Kanban tab allows to sort tasks by assigned team members and by key results. Sorting by an assignee is useful if you want to see the workload of a particular team member. Sorting by key results displays all tasks belonging to a specific goal. If you choose to use sprints when creating the objective, you'll also see the Sprints tabs, which let you practice Agile project management approach. To create a new sprint, click the plus button, enter the sprint name, set time frame, and press Create Sprint. Then schedule the scope of work for this sprint by moving items from the list Backlog Tasks on the right. Roadmap. Roadmap is a neat visualization of all your key results and tasks presented on a timeline. Providing the big picture view, it helps to work out a long-term plan for reaching your objectives. Key Results view presents the list of all key results and tasks attached to these key results. You can add a new key result by typing its name in the field New Key Result Title. To add a new task, double-click on the timeline and fill out the task's details. To edit a task, just click on the relevant task and change the necessary information. If you want to schedule a task from the backlog, press the Backlog Tasks button and move the task to the specific spot on the timeline. To view the team's workload, press the Team View button on the left. You'll see the list of your team members and all tasks assigned to them. The Roadmap tab also lets you schedule sprints. To do this, just click the New Sprint button on the right. Enter the sprint name, set the time frame, and press Create Sprint. Other opportunities for collaboration include inviting users to your team, adding team members to the relevant objectives, switching between your teams, assigning tasks and key results. When adding a team member, you need to specify their role. Roles determine team members' permissions to create and edit objectives, key results, tasks, sprints, etc. There are 3 types of roles in the Goals app: Admin, Manager, and Employee. See the full overview of their permissions on the Roles tab of your account settings. The last is the Reports tab, where you can easily monitor the progress and see the status of your objective, its key results, the key results KPI, and the number of overdue tasks. When you manage work with goals, you and your team always stay focused on the main objective. Get started today to drive your business to success and effectively reach all your goals with Goals by KeepSolid.